ka Sankardev College ha ka Jylla Meghalaya ha ka Pratrik unaitung araja arwar halor ka jingīaid lynti ka Meghalaya ban yo ila ka Jylla kala pyllait ru yo ka thup durki lani ka documentary ka bla ai kerteng Meghalaya journey vision achievement and challenges kani ka program la panlong kum sibenta ban rakhi ya ka jingdap sanpos nam ka Meghalaya kum ka Jylla ha kani ka si la pai baru ya artli ki kon balatho de kinoi kai kani ka college glimpses on political developments in Meghalaya balatho da ka kong Taryang head of department of political science in the college library but kasnap jingei ukhasi balatho da ka kong biling do Hagaji lang lawan don langru daw ba titos W khan KHGC kum kongsan katbaw ba polling do executive member KHGC Dr. Moses Kharbitai assistant professor but ka competition mukim editor silong time kilai simenta hagaji tai halo ka jingīaid lynti ka Meghalaya ban yo ila ka Jylla.
The fact that we have survived as a community, I see, I might maybe sound naive here, but I see a divine miracle that has helped us survive as a community and as a state. Because to the north of Meghalaya, we are surrounded by the second most populous nation in the world, 85% of which is Hindu. To the south, we are surrounded by the 8th most populous nation in the world, Bangladesh. How is it that a tribe of barely 15 lakhs continue to survive and thrive today? The Khasi Jaintia population is more or less like the total number of employees of the Indian Railways, 13 to 14 lakhs. Can you imagine employees of one public sector, that total number being equal to the number of a community on earth? And we have survived. We have survived another major disaster, the partition of India, the partition of Pakistan, East and West Pakistan. Today we talk of issues like the ILP, infiltration, large-scale migration from the plains. But supposing India and especially Pakistan, East, which is present Bangladesh, had present-day Bangladesh remained with undivided India, the entire population of Bangladesh would have moved to Meghalaya years ago, after 1947 itself. They would have become so populous, so politically influential that there would be no polling door, no Titos Khan in the political sphere of Meghalaya. Please bear that in mind. We have survived. And we should survive. The fact that our economy in the border belt was destroyed through partition. But if partition had not happened, the entire Bangladesh would have been part of Meghalaya, and we would be doing menial jobs in their houses today. So let us also count our blessings. Let us, with this vision of darkness to light, see light at the end of the tunnel. The only caution I will place here is make sure that when you see light at the end of the tunnel, it is not a train running towards you.
La pelai pai ba ya ka documentary do ba titos W khan ha ka jiran langru ka Dr. Yudikap FP Lingdo principal uba SK khan vice principal Dr. P Simyong assistant professor department of English nolor ki wepan.
The state has been blessed with the best of culture. It has scenic beauty, and continues to attract people from all over the region every year. Many of them are not exclusive tourists, but come to this institution like Sankardev College to study and learn and to take back valuable knowledge to their own home state. You in the college must take pride on helping develop Northeast India in this effort. As we are aware, Meghalaya attained statehood only on the 21st of January 1972. With a strong vision to protect the rights of the indigenous tribal communities. The Khasi, which combines Jaintia, which we call Neutrak, and the Garos. With a new state came new responsibilities and struggle, especially in the context of striking a balance between tradition and modern social role. But I am glad that we as a state have overcome several hurdles to be where we are today in 50 years. Struggle is always part of life, but we need to learn from those struggles to move forward. 50 years back too, with education as one of the important focus for growth, the education policy that was stable where it predominantly aimed to represent a clear vision for raising standard of the state education system. The emphasis has been to focus on raising the learning levels, competency, and greater convergence across all levels of education. Today, let us remember the sacrifice made by many and future they envision. Yes, though we have not been able to really make use of the various potential in terms of talent or intelligence that people in the state have, but the most important things we need to do is to work together and use our resources and knowledge to improve the state as a whole.